Hello guys, in this guide, I'll show you how to quickly check whether your PC might be compromised. First, right-click the Windows Start menu and choose Run. In the Run box, type MRT and click OK. This opens the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. When it launches, click Next and choose a scan type. If you are short on time, select Quick Scan. It checks the most common places where malware hides. If you want a more thorough check, you can choose Full Scan, which scans the entire system and may take a few hours. If the scan finds anything suspicious, the tool will show the results and remove the threats automatically. If anything suspicious shows up, the tool can recommend a full scan afterward. Next, open Run again and type netplwiz. Then press Enter. This opens the User Accounts window where you can see all profiles created on your Windows system. If you notice any accounts you do not recognize, that is a red flag. Select the suspicious profile and click Remove to block unauthorized access. After that, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the left sidebar, go to Startup Apps. Click the Status column to sort the list by enabled apps. Look through the startup entries carefully. If you see something you do not recognize or did not install yourself, right-click it and choose Disable. This stops it from launching automatically when your computer starts and helps reduce the risk of malware running quietly in the background. That is how you can quickly check whether your PC might be hacked. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.